Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
New York Times Business.
February 4, 9:37 America, New York. Microsoft's Activision deal tests a new global alignment on antitrust. Until recently, antitrust regulators in Europe and the United States took different approaches. Now, they're on the same page, which some experts say makes closing deals harder. Global economy.
February 4, 9 o'clock America, New York. Corporate America is divided on odds of U.S. recession. Mixed signals on interest rates, jobs and consumer spending cloud the business outlook.
Global economy.
February 4, 9 o'clock America, New York. No signs of U.S. slowdown in surprisingly robust jobs market. Economists debate whether Fed is orchestrating a soft landing or failing to cool the economy enough.
New York Times Business.
February 4, 8 o'clock America, New York. Microsoft's Activision deal tests a new global alignment on antitrust. Until recently, antitrust regulators in Europe and the United States took different approaches. Now, they're on the same page, which some experts say makes closing deals harder.
Marginal revolution.
February 4, 2:38 America, New York. Industrial policy is the new globalization. That is the topic of my latest Bloomberg column. Here goes. It would be a mistake, however, to think that these industrial policies represent a move away from globalization.
Marginal revolution.
February 4, 0:32 America, New York. The plateauing of cognitive ability among top earners. Are the best paying jobs with the highest prestige done by individuals of great intelligence? Past studies find job success to increase with cognitive ability, but do not examine how, conversely, ability varies with job success.
BBC News Business. February 3, 2334 America, New York. Energy Ombudsman complaints at a record high. The most common complaints include incorrect billing, poor customer service and problems switching suppliers.
New York Times Business.
February 3, 2331 America, New York. Advisory firm sues Elon Musk's Twitter, saying it hasn't been paid. Innisfree M&A says Twitter, which Elon Musk bought last year, has not paid it $1.9 million for services it rendered for the deal. Innisfree's lawsuit is the latest sign that Twitter has stopped paying some of its bills since Elon Musk took ownership of the company.
BBC News Business.
February 3, 1817 America, New York. Musk found not guilty of fraud over Tesla tweet. Tesla boss Elon Musk is cleared of fraud charges over a tweet about taking the carmaker private.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 3, 1755 America, New York. Musk found not liable in trial over tweets proposing to take Tesla private. A jury rejected investor claims that Elon Musk violated federal securities law when he tweeted in 2018 about potentially taking Tesla private.
BBC News Business. February 3, 1731 America, New York. I'm obsessed with my smart meter. Smart meter in home displays can be a useful budgeting tool, but for some they become a source of stress. The Library of Economics and Liberty.
February 3, 1706 America, New York. BS bots and blue checks. There has been a lot to talk about in tech lately. In this episode, host Russ Roberts welcomes back one of our favorite tech watchers, Arnold Kling, to talk about these latest developments, including Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter, the implosion of FTX and the scandal-plagued Sam Bankman-Fried, and the release of ChatGPT.
Daily FX Market News.
February 3, 1700 America, New York. Dow's skepticism anchors Nasdaq volatility, dollar charged by NFPs and rate forecasts. What matters more to the markets? That the U.S. economy looks less at risk of a recession, or that the Fed will be able to fulfill its rate hike forecast? The volatile reaction to this past week's rate decisions, NFPs and U.S. growth data leaves the markets evaluating what trends lie ahead.
Global economy.
February 3, 1418 America, New York. NHS staff in Wales call off strike after Cardiff boosts pay offer. GMB and RCN unions suspend action planned for Monday as deal adds to pressure on Sunak.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
February 3, 1409 America, New York. About that employment population ratio. When confronted with evidence that the job market is red hot, naysayers often point to the employment population ratio, EP, which remains below pre-COVID levels.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 3, 1337 America, New York. Job gains keep the Fed on track to push rates higher. Signs that the Fed's aggressive rate increases last year haven't significantly cooled the labor market could fuel more difficult debates at the central bank over whether it has done enough to tame high inflation.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
February 3, 1310 America, New York. EU agrees to expand sanctions on Russian oil industry. The bloc agreed to cap sales of premium products such as diesel at $100 a barrel and limit low-value ones such as fuel oil to $45 a barrel.
Marginal revolution.
February 3, 1249 America, New York. Friday assorted links. 1. David Brooks on AI, NYT. And a new AI tool for diagnosis. And what to do when you have to make a phone call in your second language. And connect chat to your 3D printer. And claims about Bing, speculative and unconfirmed. And Google might activate?